Today's tutorial is all about how to manage slides in PowerPoint using C#. Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to manage slides in PowerPoint using IronPPT with C#. We'll cover adding, removing, reordering, and hiding slides, all from code. So let's begin inside Visual Studio. I've already opened the NuGet Package Manager and searched for IronPPT. So if you're following along, make sure that IronPPT is installed in your project. Once installed, we're ready to start writing the code. All right, so now over in the program.cs file, I prepared the code ahead of time. It demonstrates all the slide operation in one go. This keeps things simple and helps you see each feature in action. So right at the top, we've added a region for the license key. I've kept it hidden here for obvious reasons, but you're always going to use your valid license key for full functionality. In the main method, we're calling 4 static methods: add slides, remove slide, reorder slide, and hide slide. These handle slide creation, deletion, ordering, and visibility. All right, so let's look at each one. Starting with add slides, this method creates a new presentation, adds 3 blank slides using add slide calls, and saves the file as add slides PPTX. You'll find this file in the output folder once the program runs. Next, remove slide. Here, a presentation is created with 1 slide, and that slide is immediately removed using remove. The file is saved as removeslide.pptx, so this shows you how to delete slides from your presentation. So now let's go over reorder slide. This one adds 2 slides. Then it changes the index of the first slide by setting slide.index to 1, and that moves the slide to the second position. It's saved as reorderslide.pptx. And then finally, hide slide. It creates a presentation, adds 1 slide, and sets slides.show to false. That makes the slide invisible during the presentation. The output file is hideslide.pptx. All right, so with all methods explained, let's go ahead and run the program. Now that the program is complete, let's see the files. You can see the 4 files: add slides, remove slides, reorder slides, and hide slides, have all successfully generated by our C# code. This is addslides.pptx. We added 3 slides to a new presentation using the add slide method. You can clearly see the 4 slides listed on the left. Now looking at hideslide.pptx, there's 1 slide in the file, but we set it to show properly to false. That means it won't appear during our slideshow, even though it's visible here. Here's reorderslide.pptx. It has 3 slides. We changed the position of the first slide, moving it down in the sequence using the index property. And then lastly, removeslide.pptx. We added a slide and then removed it. PowerPoint leaves 1 default placeholder slide, which you see here. The removal operation was successful. So that's how easy it is to manage PowerPoint slides with IronPPT. You've got full control right from your code. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronPPT, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package. Experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.